how to fix app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone. Have you ever found the perfect app only to be stopped by that frustrating message saying it isn't compatible with your phone? It's a common headache, but it usually doesn't mean your phone is broken. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and the safe, official ways to fix it so you can get your apps running again. The app not compatible error typically triggers for 3 reasons. Your Android version is too old, your phone's hardware doesn't meet the requirements, or there is a regional restriction. Here is how you can resolve it. Step 1. Check for system updates. Many apps require a minimum version of Android to function. Go to your phone settings, scroll down to System, and tap on System Update. If there is an update available, install it and try downloading the app again. Step 2. Clear the Google Play Store cache. Sometimes the store itself has outdated information about your device. Open your settings, go to Apps or App Management, find the Google Play Store, tap Storage, and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart your phone and check the app page again. Step 3. Check your storage space. Believe it or not, if your phone is critically low on space, Android sometimes throws a generic compatibility error instead of a low memory warning. Ensure you have at least 1 GB of free space. Step 4. Verify your Play Protect certification. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then About. Look for Play Protect certification. If your device isn't certified, certain apps won't be available to you for security reasons. Here is a quick pro tip. If the app is definitely compatible but just isn't available in your specific country, you can often find the official developer's website. Many reputable companies host the installation files directly on their own sites for users who can't access the regional Play Store. By following these steps, you've cleared out the software glitches and updated your system to be as compatible as possible. If this helped you get your app installed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech fixes. Do you have a specific app that still won't install? Let me know the name of the app and your phone model in the comments below, and I'll try to help you out.